We had a short squeeze last night. I'm going to tell you what it all means, and I'm going to tell you what comes next. In case you haven't been paying attention, last night around 8 o'clock Eastern time, we had an incredible short squeeze. The price moved around, I want to say $5,000, the biggest short squeeze in Bitcoin's history. So we're looking right here. Price right now is $38,319. In the last couple of videos, we've been saying that the price is going to be ranging, and it has, between 30,000 and 40,000. We saw a couple of spikes below 30, which presented amazing buying opportunities if you happen to have orders on the exchanges to leverage those opportunities. But if you're like me, you're holding it, you're looking at the long-term picture, you're a long-term investor, and it pays out. So what happened? What happened was you had an incredible amount of retail investors, which typically is responding to sentiment. They're not looking at the on-chain. They're not really analyzing what's really happening in Bitcoin. They're looking at sentiment. They're reading news articles, and they had a bearish view. So they go onto exchanges like Bybit. I'm going to show you some data from Bybit here. And they place short positions. What is a short position? It's the opposite of a leveraged long position. So in a leveraged long position, as we saw back on May 19th, we saw a lot of traders that were getting incredibly bullish about the performance, the short-term performance of Bitcoin. So they went on these exchanges and they took out an incredible amount of risk. They took on loans so that they could buy more Bitcoin. The problem is as that price moves down, they have to sell that Bitcoin, which creates a cascading effect. Because once Bitcoin starts getting sold, the price moves down. As the price moves down, more and more traders that are in those leveraged long positions start to get liquidated, and that creates this cascading effect. So we saw the price move from high 50s, low 60s, all the way down to 30,000, right? That was in May. Last night, it was the opposite. Instead of selling Bitcoin, they had to buy Bitcoin in effect, because they were liquidated. And about $1.14 billion, that's an incredible amount. And this is just one exchange. This is Bybit. This is an exchange that a lot of retail investors use to take those kind of leveraged long and short positions. And they got completely wrecked. So we're up to 1.14 billion, probably going to go up a little bit more. We'll see what happens. I'm sure there's other retail traders that are coming on right now that aren't so demoralized taking short positions because they think the price is going to go down. But there's also, an incredible amount of interest that's still there. We're still in the bull cycle, as we've been saying. So we're going to see what happens. If there's any indication of what might happen, I'm going to show you this, right? This is open interest. These are futures trades, and there's no real good indicator of where the price is going to be, but if you can see what most traders that are playing the futures market believe the price is going to be, we can use that as some indication of sentiment. And we can see here that most of the open interest is at the $40,000 Bitcoin price level. So I kind of see that as a kind of natural gravitational pull up to that price level. We need to, at this stage, get up past, so last night we got past the 50-day moving average. That's the price of Bitcoin over the past 50 days. That's this green line over here. Okay, so we can see that we busted through that last night. The next level is going to be the 100-day. That's this blue line here. That's sitting at a little bit under 40,000, and then we're really in the clear once we get above the 200-day moving average, which sits right now at around 42,500. Okay, and the last time we had a situation like this, we can look at the performance. Okay, so I'm going back here. This is April of 2019, and you can see here, we had that incredible green candle. That was, at the time, about a $1,200 increase in the price of Bitcoin in a single day. And you can see what that led to. It was just a complete change in the market. Price ran up above 13,000. So it effectively tripled. And if we have the same event that happens here and we triple, that gets us up to nearly the $100,000 range. And what's going to happen when we hit $100,000? You're going to start to see an incredible amount of news, headlines, which is going to attract, FOMO. We're already going to see FOMO. Once we get above the 200 moving average, we're going to see some FOMO because you've got two types of people out there. You got bulls and bears. And the bears right now, today, are in disbelief because they thought the price was going to go down below 30, maybe 20. You saw a lot of different theories on social media about where the price was going to go. It didn't end up, panning out for them. So they were in disbelief. If they're not sitting on the sidelines, they already bought in. If they are sitting on the sidelines still, then as that price ticks up to 40, 42, they're starting to get anxious. There's a lot of money that's sitting on the exchanges. I don't have the stable coin chart here, but there's a lot of stable coins that are sitting on the exchanges that are waiting to go into Bitcoin, and we're going to see that price run up. And so if we get to 100,000, we get an incredible amount of FOMO, institutional FOMO particularly. And so one of the things that happened last night, we knew that this was going to happen because we saw that a lot of the Bitcoin was being taken off the exchanges by long-term investors. It was moving from short-term investors to long-term investors. We didn't know when this would happen. We didn't know that it would happen last night, but we knew it was going to happen in the next, at least, if you asked me yesterday morning, I would have said that it would happen in the next 2 weeks. And it happened last night. Unbelievable. And we're going to continue to watch this. So follow me on Twitter. My handle is OSABEK. And if you like this content, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can see more videos when we release them.